Welcome everyone, I'm the Stage Tech Tinkerer. This video shows how to build a wireless DMX transmitter. Please see my info video about my wireless DMX transmitter if you haven't already. Let's get started. Start with a 100 mil by 68 mil by 50 mil ABS project box with ears. Open the project box. Throw away the watertight seal. We won't need it. Sand the box until the glossiness goes away. I use templates to mark all the holes. I'll try to make those available to everyone. Otherwise, just measure your components and mark up your pieces. Use a center punch to make a dimple for each mark. Drill 1/8 inch holes for the standoffs. Drill a 3/16 inch hole for the adjustment button. Drill a 1/4 inch hole for the power LED. Drill a 1/2 inch hole for the toggle switch. Drill a 1/4 inch hole for the antenna. Drill a 7/16 inch hole for the power input panel jack. Drill the hole for the XLR panel jack with a 15/16 Forstner bit. Sand and file as necessary. This is a wireless DMX 4.2 GHz transmitter receiver module. I will refer to it as a DMX transceiver from here on out. It has a wire harness with red and black power wires and white and yellow DMX data wires. It also has an antenna cable with an antenna. Attach the antenna cable to the DMX transceiver. It's a little tricky to snap on. It will swivel easily when attached correctly. This is a Mel XLR panel jack. Number the terminals like this to help us keep organized. Trim the wires from the DMX transceiver harness to fit. Add a small piece of shrink tube to the yellow and white wires. Solder the yellow wire from the DMX transceiver to pin 3 on the XLR panel jack. Solder the white wire to pin 2 on the XLR panel jack. Shrink tube over the solder joints. Mix some epoxy. Apply epoxy to the tabs of the XLR panel jack. Keep the epoxy away from the notch. Install the XLR panel jack into the project box. Let cure overnight. Install the 5521 panel jack. Install the transceiver using M3 standoffs. This is a standard on-off toggle switch. Gauge the length of the red wire on the 5521 panel jack. Trim and add a ring terminal. Gauge the length of the red wire from the transceiver wire harness. Trim and add a ring terminal. Connect the 5521 red wire to the not side terminal. Connect the transceiver wire harness red wire to the other terminal. Gauge the length of the black wire from the 5521 panel jack. Trim and add a ferrule. Connect to a 2-port Wago. Gauge the length of the black wire from the transceiver wire harness. Trim and add a ferrule. Add to the 2-port Wago. Install the antenna mount. Connect the wire harness to the DMX transceiver. Install the toggle switch. Make sure the notch is facing down. Close the box and screw it down. Attach a 5-volt 1-amp power supply. Power up the wireless DMX transmitter. The power LED will light up with the DMX group color. To change the wireless DMX group, press the adjustment button. The transmitter and the wireless DMX practical must be on the same group. I prefer blue. Attach a DMX cable from your lighting console. I recommend using a DMX splitter as an in-between for safety. Power up your DMX lighting console. The power LED will blink red when receiving a DMX signal. Let's test it on this wireless DMX street lamp kit. Let's finish it up. Mark the top DMX transmitter. Mark above the toggle switch on. Mark below the XLR panel jack DMX in. Mark below the 5521 panel jack 5-volt/1 amp. Attach the antenna. You now have a finished wireless DMX transmitter. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Check out my upcoming videos for more wireless DMX practicals to use with this transmitter. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel.